Hi YouTube, I'm Sifti Bhatia from Gyanm, and in this video we're going to look at 6 myths that people have about IELTS Essay Writing. So the first myth that a lot of students have is that they should follow a fixed format for a specific math score. It is good to have a structure, to give a structure to all your content in the essay, but remember that there is no hard and fast rule. The 4-paragraph thing is followed by a lot of people, but there are a lot of other variations as well that you can try. So just don't limit yourself to it. The second myth that a lot of students have is that personal pronouns should not be used in this. But just answer one question, that how do you answer an opinionated type essay without using the word I? It just doesn't work. So students, it's perfectly fine to use personal pronouns in essay. The third thing is that using really difficult and long words will get you a better math score. Well, 25% of your score does depend upon vocabulary, but remember that examiners are going to judge your range of vocabulary for the task at hand. So instead of using bombastic words with little or no meaning, use topic-related vocabulary. The fourth misconception is that really lengthy essays get a better math score. Well, students, just remember that in writing in any language, the 10% rule is followed, which means that an ideal word limit is 10% more than the lower limit. That is, 10% of 250 becomes 25, so an ideal word limit will be 275. And another thing is that around 275 to 280 words are perfectly fine. They are more than enough to explain and to support your ideas very well. The fifth thing that I want to take up over here is that your facts and figures should be absolutely precise and accurate. Well, that's not true because this is not a knowledge-based test. It is just a language test. The only thing examiner is going to check is how well you develop your ideas. So don't really worry about accuracy. So the last misconception that I want to take up over here, and actually the most absurd one, is that many students feel that they will just memorize a sample answer, reproduce it in the exam, and it will match score. Well, let me tell you, that's not going to happen because the examiners over there are really experienced and they're going to take an instant to recognize that that is a memorized thing. And also, if it is a memorized essay, the math score over there is just 0, so you're not getting anything with that. So that's all about the most common myths you have regarding IELTS writing. I hope I was able to provide you with some clarity. And if you guys feel there's any of the myths surrounding IELTS writing or any clarity that you need, just put them down in the comment boxes. And as always, if you have any suggestions, anything you want us to produce videos on, just use those comment boxes down there. And that's it for today. All the best.